The best financial decision I ever made was making savings happen without me. Here's how to set it up once and forget it. Why willpower alone fails. Saving what's left over never works. There's always something else for leftover money. Automation removes the decision entirely. The Pay Yourself First system. Set savings to transfer on payday, before you spend anything. Even $25 automatic beats $200 you meant to save. Out of sight, out of mind, in the best way. How to set it up today. Log into your bank. Set up a recurring transfer to savings, same day as payday. Name the account, emergency fund, vacation, house. Stack multiple auto savings. $25 per week emergency fund. $50 per month vacation fund. $100 per month retirement via 401k or IRA auto contribution. Track the balances, not the transfers. Check balances monthly, not the transfers. Watching it grow creates positive reinforcement. Use a savings tracker to see your full picture at once. Download our free savings tracker printable, link in description. New money tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday.